What shape is this? A nonagon. Yay. All you gotta do is count the sides and know the names. Nonagon 9. Nonagon. That's how I remember that one. You ready for the next one? What shape is this? Turn and talk with your partner. We're not on any page yet. We're just doing warm-up together.
A hexagon.
All right. It's a hexagon. Great. All right. Turn and talk with your partner. What shape is this? What shape is this? I got dodecagon. I counted 12 sides. 12 sides. Dodecagon. And that's it. That's it. Here's what we're doing today. We're going to do lesson 9.1, day 2. 9.1, day 2. So we should be on page 7 of our lesson packet. And today we're going to talk about angles. Angles in polygons. Angles in polygons. So if you were absent yesterday, or if you were busy taking your test yesterday, our lesson was short. It is recorded and posted on the YouTube link, which is on Google Classroom. Okay? Today we're going to talk about angles in a polygon. So today I can find angles in a polygon. I can find angles in a polygon. And we're going to start with a definition. The central angle. The central angle is the angle with the vertex at the center of the polygon. So vertex, it's like another word for point. Good morning. A regular polygon has equal sides and equal angles. A regular polygon. We defined that yesterday. We said it was equilateral and equiangular. In other words, equal sides, equal angles. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a point in the center, my vertex, and I'm going to sketch in one central angle. How many sides are on this shape? 5. So what's the name of this polygon? A pentagon. Good to review from yesterday. A pentagon. There's 5. So technically, I could draw in 5 central angles. Do you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 central angles. But I just want to know the measure of one of them. So I'm going to do 360 degrees divided by, can you guess? How many? 5. Let's do that. 360 degrees divided by 5 is 72. So all these central angles are 72. But if I said find one central angle, you would do 360 divided by the number of sides. Let's find the central angle of this polygon. First, I should count the sides. How many sides are there? 6. I'm going to sketch in one central angle. I've got 6 sides. What am I going to do? It's a hexagon. Thank you. 6 sides. What am I going to do? Great, because I want one central angle, and it should be 60 degrees. Easy peasy. Here's our rule. To find the degree of one central angle of a regular polygon, what are we going to do?
360.
Divided by number of sides. Cool. Try me is a regular polygon. I need to find x and I need to find y. First, I should probably count the sides to know what kind of polygon I'm dealing with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a pentagon. 5 sides. Okay. Where is 3x? Where is it? In a triangle. It's the central angle. Do we see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So to set this up, I'm going to do 360 divided by 5, which we did earlier. That's 72. What am I going to do with 72? Times 3? Equal 3x. And now we're going to divide by 3. Do we see that? 3x is my central angle. I find my central angle, and then I'm going to divide by 3, and I get x is 24. Are we okay with that? Okay, all right. Let's look at these other angles.
Why is Y there?
This is an interior angle. This is an exterior angle, which we're going to define here in just a minute. Does anyone see their relationship? They share a what? A line? Did anyone say line, or did I imagine? You said line? 2 angles that make a line. What are they called? A linear pair. Thank you. This is a linear pair. Oh my goodness, it's coming back. Oh man. Anyone remember what is a linear pair? It makes a line. How many degrees is a line? 180 equals 3y plus 20 plus y minus 5. And now I gotta do some algebra. What are we gonna do first?
Minus 15.
Combine like terms, right? Everybody forgets about that. We're gonna combine like terms. 3y, 1y. How many y's together? 4y plus 15. Oh man, you're getting ahead of me. We're gonna combine 20 and a negative 5y. So it's gonna be plus 15. We're going to subtract that from both sides. I see some calculators coming out. 165 equals 4y. Last step, we'll divide by 4. What do we get for y? 41.25. Boom, we did it. We had to use a linear pair. We had to remember a linear pair is 180 degrees.
Pentagon.
We have a pentagon again. In this example, we want to identify which angles are the exterior angles first. What does exterior mean? Outside. Can you label that? Outside. So basically, this is asking us which angles are on the outside. A, B, C, D, E. Do we see that? They're on the outside.
Yeah.
Great. Next question. Which angles are interior angles? What does interior mean? Inside. Label that. Some people don't recall that. Inside. So you tell me which angles are inside. F, G, H, I, J. What is the sum of any exterior angle and its adjacent? What does adjacent mean? Next to interior angle. So what is the sum of any exterior and interior angle that are next to each other? 180 because they make a line, they make a linear pair. It's a linear pair. So the sum is 180 degrees. Are we okay with that? We're going to try it in an example here. We need to find W, X, Y, and Z. All right. W makes a line with angle 69, so you're going to do 180 minus 69. You're going to keep going. Let's see if you can do it on your calculators with your partner. Can you find all those angles right now? We're doing linear pairs. All right, we have all these angles. This is 111. This is 34. This is 82. This is 133. Will you add them all up right now? Will you add all those exterior angles up? Would you please add up the exterior angles? What is happening?
360.
360 degrees?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Make a note of this. All the angles, I'm going to be more specific. All the exterior angles add up to 360 degrees. To 360 degrees. Now notice, is this a regular quadrilateral or irregular?
It's like an irregular.
It's irregular because nothing is equal. Do we see the difference?
Yeah.
So even on an irregular, they should all add up to 360. Okay? You ready for number 4? Example 4. Do you have a question,
I
sir?
was just going to say,
In this, what is it? Triangle. Great, it's a triangle. What is the relationship between these two angles? Linear pair. So I want you to write an equation and solve for A. Here we go. It's a linear pair. And you're solving for A. All right, that's our lesson. We talked about central angles. We talked about linear pairs. We talked about exterior and interior angles. That's what we did. It was so fun. Here's our homework. In your packet, your homework packet, it's 9.1 day 2. I don't think it says day 2. It's just the next page. It's 1 through 12. It starts with 5 vocab questions. Then you got to draw some things. And then 9 through 12, you're solving. You're solving for some angles. Let's get it done, please. 1 through 12, I'm checking this tomorrow.